Unveiling the Magic, Cooking Up a Potion, explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating expression that sounds straight out of a fantasy novel. Cooking up a potion. This phrase is a wonderful example of the richness of the English language, blending the worlds of culinary arts and magical concoctions. Our journey will decode its meaning, explore its origins, and understand how you can use it in everyday conversations. Let's stir up some linguistic magic together. First off, let's break down the phrase, cooking up a potion. At face value, it conjures images of a witch or wizard standing over a bubbling cauldron, mixing ingredients to create a magical potion. Here, cooking refers to the process of preparing food by combining and heating ingredients. A potion, on the other hand, is a liquid with magical properties, often found in stories and folklore. Together, they imply the act of creating something with special care and a touch of magic. Moving beyond the cauldron, cooking up a potion is often used metaphorically in modern English. In this context, it means creating or devising something carefully and skillfully, particularly something innovative or special. It doesn't have to involve food or magic. It could refer to anything from a new business strategy to a solution to a problem. This expression showcases the creativity and ingenuity involved in the process. To help you grasp how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. In business, our team is cooking up a potion to revolutionize the way we approach customer service. In problem solving, give me a moment. I'm cooking up a potion to fix this issue once and for all. In creative projects, the artist is cooking up a potion in the studio, blending genres to create a new sound. These examples illustrate how the phrase can be adapted to various contexts, adding a layer of intrigue and creativity to the conversation. Using expressions like cooking up a potion enriches language, making it more vivid and engaging. It allows speakers to convey complex ideas in a relatable and imaginative way. For English language learners, mastering such phrases can greatly improve fluency and conversational skills, making interactions more dynamic and colorful. Cooking up a potion is more than just a whimsical saying. It's a testament to the English language's capacity for creativity and expression. We hope this exploration has enchanted your understanding and inspired you to mix your own linguistic potions. Whether you're conjuring up solutions or crafting new ideas, remember the power of words to transform the ordinary into something magical. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and happy language learning!